So good afternoon everyone. So today we will discuss about a value added courses on introduction to process instrumentation diagram and safety precautions. So in the last two classes we have discussed about what is safety. So what are the safety precautions you have to adopt while when you are working in a industry. So in such a way we have discussed about work permit system, what is hot work permit, what is cold work permit. So when we have to raise the hot work permit, when we have to raise the cold work permit. So what is the importance of hot work and cold work? Like that we have discussed, and also we have discussed about vessel entry permit, line clearance permit, everything. So let me summarize all those things which we had discussed in the earlier class before we going deep into the discussion. So when you are working in the industry, if you want to take any instrument for maintenance, so you have to raise the work permit. So the origin, the maintenance, you have to give the permit to the maintenance department. If you are working in a process industry means you are a process engineer. So you want to take any pump or agitator or a heat exchanger for maintenance. So before handing over this equipment to the maintenance people, you have to raise the work permit. So cold work permit means there is no any hot work. That means there is no need of applying heat to the work. That means welding, cutting, like that. In such a case, you have to raise the cold work permit. Cold work means just simply dismantling the equipment and hand over the machine to the maintenance. So hot work means when you are carrying out any welding work or cutting work or you are applying some heat, so you have to raise the hot work permit. Then if you want to enter into a vessel and inside the vessel you are doing some maintenance, you are doing some cleaning or you are inspection, you are inspecting the vessel means you have to raise the vessel entry permit. So all these things has to be carried out only by means of only after disconnecting the electric power. So for to ensure that equipment is disconnected with the electricity, so you have to get the line clearance permit. So these all are the work permit system which we have discussed in the earlier class. Now let me throw some lights on what is process instrumentation diagram. So what is the difference between process instrumentation diagram and plant layout and process flow diagram? So these things you have to carefully listen. So process instrumentation diagram is nothing. It is a graphical representation of the location of instruments and the flow of material from one equipment to another equipment. The process instrumentation diagram will implies so what all are the instruments which is installed in the plant and what is the purpose, where it is located, whether it is in the field or it is in the control room or it is outside the equipment, like that the exact location of the instruments and its purpose will be clearly indicated. If it is a level controller, it will be indicated as a level LCV. If it is a flow control valve, like that. So lot of instruments and equipments will be incorporated to safely operate the plant. So when you are studying about the process dynamics control, we are told the purpose of process dynamics is or process dynamics and control is to ensure the safety, process safety. So if an equipment is operated at 1 atmospheric pressure 300 degrees centigrade means it is the prime responsibility of the production engineer to maintain 300 degrees centigrade and 1 atmosphere pressure. So if it exceeds 1 atmospheric pressure or if it exceeds the required temperature, there may be a chance of the equipment may damage it will cause harmful to the man machine material. So the process safety will be a question mark. So to ensure the process safety, we have to adopt a control system which should be capable of maintaining the parameters strictly. So like that, each and every equipment is installed with a control system and it is interlocked with the safety precautions. So in this class, we'll discuss about what are the subjects we are going to discuss in this class.